World Forestry Day 2024. Date, theme, history and significance. World Forestry Day 2024. Date. Every year, we celebrate World Forestry Day on 21st March. In 2024, it falls on a Thursday. The United Nations General Assembly established World Forestry Day in 2012 to raise awareness about the vital role of forests and encourage efforts for their conservation and sustainable management. Forests are not just trees, they are crucial for our everyday life. They hold the soil in place, help retain water, and keep our environment balanced. Forests also provide us with the air we breathe and give us medicine from plants. Without forests and trees, we could not survive. World Forestry Day 2024. Theme. The theme for 2024 is Forests and Innovation, New Solutions for a Better World. It highlights the critical role of innovation and technology in protecting our forests. From advanced systems that track deforestation to sustainable forestry practices, innovation is key to overcoming challenges threatening forests. The enduring significance of forests. Forests are often called the lungs of the planet because they play a vital role in combating climate change. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas. Protecting biodiversity. Forests provide habitats for countless species of plants and animals, ensuring the health and balance of ecosystems. Providing clean air and water. Forests filter air and water, regulating our climate and providing us with essential resources. Supporting livelihoods. Millions of people around the world depend on forests for food, medicine, and income generation. World Forestry Day 2024. Celebrating and taking action. World Forestry Day is a springboard for action. Here are some ways you can get involved. Support organizations, donate to or volunteer with organizations working towards forest conservation and sustainable forestry practices. Reduce your consumption. Make conscious choices to reduce your consumption of paper and wood products, minimizing your environmental footprint. Plant a tree in your community or support tree planting initiatives. Every tree planted makes a difference. Spread awareness. Educate yourself and others about the importance of forests and the threats they face. By taking action, big or small, we can all contribute to a future where our forests continue to thrive, ensuring a healthier planet for generations to come.